Today, we are going to see some amazing benefits of ashwagandha juice for health. Hi, I'm Vandana Dev. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Please see my video up to the end as I'm going to show you how to make the juice. Ashwagandha juice is used to treat various ailments for centuries. It has laxative, diuretic and aphrodisiac properties. It has calcium, iron and phosphorus as well as vitamin C. Ashwagandha juice detoxifies the body and is best consumed early in the morning. This juice can absorb all the toxins, germs and contamination that may have accumulated in your body. It has immense health benefits and is widely used in illnesses of the stomach, liver and skin. Ashwagandha supplies plenty of nutrition. It is high on water content, providing a cooling effect on the body. It has zero cholesterol and a lot of vitamins and minerals to facilitate key metabolic functions in the body. It also provides valuable curative properties for conditions such as fever, jaundice, and diabetes. This is because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities. As it has beneficial plant compounds like flavonoids and carotenoids. In addition, the juice of ashwagandha also heals hair and scalp disorders like dandruff and bald patches. Ashwagandha is very low on calories and high in essential nutrients and can be taken regularly by those people who are strictly following a diet regime to lose weight, especially in the case of those with diabetes. Ashwagandha also provides dietary fibers that can be processed easily in the stomach. It keeps you full for longer periods, reducing cravings and assisting in burning fat at a quicker pace. Having negligible cholesterol content, ashwagandha can be easily consumed in the diet regularly for promoting heart health. It improves the circulation of blood to and from the heart, ensuring optimal functioning of cardiac muscles. Ashwagandha stimulates the normal elimination of the body waste via the excretory system in the body. It boosts the secretion of fluids within the kidneys, promptly getting rid of accumulated toxins. It gives proper hydration of the internal organs in the body. Ashwagandha juice supports the routine task of kidney and bladder. Ashwagandha has a significant fiber content which helps to prevent instances of constipation, bloating and cramping of the stomach. When you eat a heavy meal, it has a laxative nature which regulates bowel movements, so eases any discomfort experienced in the gut. It also strengthens respiratory processes. Ashwagandha has an intrinsic expectorant quality, which means that it can readily loosen any excess phlegm or mucus secretions and remove them from the respiratory tract. This immediately benefits lung function and also prevents any allergies and breathing difficulties. It complements ketogenic diet. Non-starchy vegetables are used in all keto diets. Ashwagandha is low in carbohydrates and sugars and can be an ideal component of a keto diet. Now we are also going to use amla fruit in this juice. What is amla? Amla is an Indian superfood. This fruit can help control blood sugar levels, boost eye health, improve digestion, and aid in weight loss. It can also be used as a remedy for heartburn. Amla juice is also used as a remedy for several health issues. This nutritious drink can help get rid of toxins and supports liver function. It helps boost your immunity, metabolism, and prevents viral and bacterial ailments, including cold and cough. It contains a range of polyphenols that are known to fight against the development of cancer cells. Vitamin C is a natural antioxidant, which means that it protects you against the harmful effects of free radicals. It helps in slowing down the aging process and is needed for collagen production, hence keeping your skin, hair healthy and support the immune system. Regular consumption of amla juice helps in reducing cholesterol levels. Amino acids and antioxidants aid in the overall functioning of heart. It is also helpful in managing diabetes better as well as respiratory ailments like asthma. The alkaline nature of amla helps in clearing the system and strengthening the digestive system. It supports liver function and flushes out toxins from the body. Along with vitamin C, amla is also rich in iron, calcium, phosphorus, and hence can be taken as a complete nutritional drink. While juicing, add some curry leaves also. Curry leaves help protect the health of your nervous system, including your brain. Curry leaves contain compounds that have significant anti-cancer effects. Curry leaves contain a wide array of anti-inflammatory compounds. Curry leaves are also good for your hair to keep them black and shiny. So, let us see how to make a juice. Chop amla, remove the seeds and put in a mixer. Take a mature ash core, remove the rim and seeds and make small pieces. Add some water and blend. Then put this in the juicer. It will remove the fiber. Then add honey, roasted cumin seeds, powder and asafoetida, black pepper powder, black salt and mix and drink immediately. Take it every day and feel the difference. Be happy, healthy and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching.